Are you looking for a great view of the Golden Gate Bridge? Well, you've come to the right place.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome to our unsettled journey.
So currently we're in San Francisco and we are here for a week and we wanted to explore some of the best spots around the city to go view the Golden Gate Bridge. Now, of course, Golden Gate Bridge is an icon, a legendary within the history of San Francisco, and there's so many great views, it's hard to really decide which one is best, but we have found some really great places that we're going to share with you today.
The Golden Gate Bridge is a true landmark, not only in San Francisco, but in the US as a whole, and 40 million people actually cross the bridge every year, making it one of the most popular tourist attractions in the United States. The incredible Golden Gate Bridge really doesn't have a bad angle, but have discovered a few places that are really great for Instagram pictures and just photography in general if you want to get an awesome picture of the bridge.
So I'm going to start off here by hitting the coast, and this view is from Baker Beach. As the name suggests, you will be going and viewing the Golden Gate Bridge from, what other than, a beach. Now, Baker Beach, along with Marshall Beach, are great views of the Golden Gate Bridge. However, keep in mind, it is a decent hike to get down to the base of the beach, especially going back up. So it's definitely not accessible unless you're really into hiking and or want to definitely go on an adventure. But this beach is a little more secluded and it's along the coast, but it offers a great perspective of the Golden Gate Bridge and gets a really great picture of the water flowing in from the Pacific Ocean along the coast. Now this offers a great view of the Golden Gate Bridge from a slight angle, and it captures the Golden Gate Bridge from a lower level than normally viewed, and ultimately it makes for a great picture. So if you're ever in the area, definitely check out Baker Beach.
If you're visiting one of those two beaches, then you're really close to our next spot on the list, which is the Golden Gate Overlook. This has a pretty head-on view of the Golden Gate Bridge, and a really great picture to take is right between two cypress trees. It kind of frames the bridge really well, and on a perfect day, you can get some amazing shots. So this location is not to miss, and if you're walking to Marshall Beach, chances are that you'll even park in the same lot as the Golden Gate Overlook, or you may just be passing it as you're making your way down or back from the beach that we just suggested. But the overlook makes for a great combination if you want to get some different angles and you don't have that much time. This is the spot to check out because, again, you can park at the Golden Gate Overlook, get your pictures either before or after, and then take the trail down to Marshall Beach, and then just on the other side of that is the Baker Beach. Now, the color of the Golden Gate Bridge is always stirring up some controversy. You might look at it and clearly think that it's a red color, but it's actually painted international orange. So Golden Gate Bridge is a shade of orange officially. Despite how hard you think it might be red, it is actually a shade of orange. So that's just a fun fact when you're gazing out at the beauty of the bridge and you want to swear to yourself that it is red. So it's actually not, and that's just a fun fact about the bridge.
Another great location to get a great sweeping view of the Golden Gate Bridge and then the city in the background would be the Golden Gate Viewpoint. The Golden Gate Viewpoint is located just north of the city and across the bridge going out of the city of San Francisco. So you will have to cross the Golden Gate Bridge in order to get there, which also makes for a unique view. But getting there isn't really as accessible as others may think because you really have to go out of your way and sort of out and around and back down to the viewpoint. But once you're there, it's really breathtaking. You get a slight angle of the bridge, but you face the city and you can see the Pacific Ocean to your right and then the bridge on your left, and you can also see the city mixed in as well. So in this viewpoint you can also get a great angle because you're sort of at the same level as the traffic, maybe just above, but allows for a great view to capture everything in one shot. So if you're looking for something different and want to get out of the city, we recommend going to the Golden Gate Viewpoint.
If you like to get out in nature like we do, then we suggest, and maybe it's on your list already, Land's End. It's an iconic area in San Francisco and it's frequently listed on different travel guides and experiences in San Francisco. Land's End is an area that has more than just a view of the bridge. It has trails and a lot of nature. It has a lot of history and it has some ruins to it as well. It's down on that rugged coastline, so this offers a great view of the bridge from a further perspective, but you also can get the rugged coastline in the shot with the bridge. There are various trails you can take once you're in Land's End. One of the main ones just kind of goes along the coastline and gives you different vantage points of the bridge and of the coastline. You can see people down below enjoying the beach, people up where the hiking is, so it's a really nice area to check out, especially if you're a nature lover, and even if you weren't interested in taking pictures of the bridge, it's a great area just to walk around, get some fresh air, and enjoy the outdoors.
Now the Golden Gate Bridge is quite heavy. And it actually weighs about 840 million tons, which actually makes it heavier than the Empire State Building. So last but not least, the last great vantage point would be from sea level on a boat. So now there's several different boat tours that you can do that go underneath the Golden Gate Bridge and offer great viewpoints from either side of the Golden Gate Bridge as well. Whether you're going locally from the city or going in port on a cruise ship, taking a boat out onto the ocean, doing the Golden Gate Bridge head on, and you sail underneath the bridge offers a great perspective and a unique view that not many other tourists really get to get. So if you really like boats and want a great angle, and the benefit of having a boat is you can switch up different angles of the Golden Gate Bridge as well.
If you wanted yet another option for viewing the Golden Gate Bridge, we see lots of people walking each time we've crossed it on our drive. We see people walking, biking, taking their pets, so that way you can really just stroll along and get a sense of just how large the bridge is to actually walk from one side to the other and back, so that's an option as well.
Now currently, if you want to cross the Golden Gate Bridge, it costs $8 if you don't have one of their fast track passes. So that's something just want to give a heads up for when going into the city. Anytime you want to get into the city, you always have to pay a toll. And actually, right from its beginnings, the Golden Gate Bridge started off as a toll bridge, and believe it or not, it was only 50 cents to cross the bridge. So that's a lot different than what it costs today.
The tolls go for all the Bay Area bridges, and Fast Track is the area's kind of pass system where you can get a transponder, and some of the tolls would be slightly less than if you paid it afterwards, because none of the toll bridges in San Francisco are manned anymore. You either have to have the Fast Track system, or they'll just send you an invoice in the mail by taking a picture of your license plate. So it is beneficial to use their Fast Track system. If you did not have a chance to buy the actual transponder, they do have a convenient website where you can set up prepaid tolls by letting the city know when you're going to be in town. You'll put in your car's information, your payment information, and anytime you cross one of those bridges within the dates that you selected, it will automatically charge whatever card you did. So when we were visiting, that's what we did, because we don't think that we'll be in San Francisco other than right now. So they have a pretty good system set up. Just go on to Fast Track and you can decide what option works the best for you. So far, we're really enjoying the city of San Francisco, and there's so much more to discover besides the bridge, although that is a really big draw when people are visiting. We really liked the Palace of Fine Arts. We went to Bernal Heights Park. We also got out and hiked a bit over in Muir Woods, which is on the north end of San Francisco once you get out of the city past the bridge. So it's a really amazing city for all kinds of things, and really a good fit for a lot of different people. They have a huge number of things going on all throughout the year. So we really enjoyed our week in San Francisco, and we're looking forward to more travels as we continue north. So that's going to wrap up our video on the best views of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. We want to thank you for watching, and if you like our content and travel vlogs, etc., we invite you to subscribe and join our journey. We also post content on other social media platforms like Instagram, Patreon, TikTok. The links for those accounts will be down in the description box below. We appreciate your support, and we will see you guys in next week's video. Bye!